going to Talisay, Cebu City as of the moment. We will try their famous lechon. I am here with my
lechon market.
I am here with my colleagues and my groupmates, Quiñones, Agoo, Lariba, and last but not least, De La Cruz.
Init kayo, pastilan.
So as of the moment, we are going to the jeepney stop because we will commute. We will just use the jeepney because we don't have any money for taxi.
Bitaw.
Okay, cut.
As of now, we're waiting for...
We are waiting for the jeep.
Yeah. So, a few minutes passed and still...
Anong lagong ko dira, Sam?
Hambon. And still no for the
Kung puti ko diha.
jeep. Ha?
Dili na lagom, daw.
Puti mo ka.
Puti ko. Imo ikaw. Agoy.
Agoy. Agoy. So we're here. Nah, guys.
Almost, oh no. We are like 20 steps away from Talisay. So we are here at Talisay Food Park where lechon is the #1 star. So let us see what they have to offer.
Eating lechon, baboy. Oh, tro mga tambok no. Tro. Kita man ka. Diba?
Baby.
That is all. We are now done in Talisay Lechon Food Park. We're in the lechon. The tea feature is very scrumptious, very juicy, and we'll recommend again.